Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited to be sharing with you this week's recipe. It's one of the highly requested recipes. I'm going to be sharing with you how to make two amazing smoothies today. It's summer right now, everyone's feeling the heat, and it's a perfect time for me to share this recipe with you. So one of them is a mixed berry banana and spinach smoothie, and the other one is a dragon fruit pineapple and spinach smoothie. Both of them are incredibly tasty, delicious, so quick and easy to make. You just need a handful of ingredients that you probably already have at home. You can use any liquid base to make these amazing smoothies. I've used milk to make one and I've used water to make the other, but you can use any plant-based milk of your choice. I know almond milk and coconut milk taste incredibly great, but if you want, you can also go a notch further by using coconut water. In my recipes, I've used flaxseed as well as chia seeds to make these incredibly delicious smoothies, but you can use them interchangeably if you want, or you can even use both of them together depending on how nutritious you want them to be. These smoothies are great for kids because they're super healthy and super nutritious. You can put in some greens. I've used spinach, but you can use kale as well. They're so sweet and your kids won't even realize that they're so nutritious and so healthy. These smoothies are incredibly great for adults as well. They're so quick and easy to make and you can enjoy them on the go for breakfast every single morning. Both these smoothies are sugar-free and I haven't used any sweetener including honey, agave or dates to make them. They're naturally sweet and you can enjoy them as much as you like. So let's start off with the mixed berry banana and spinach smoothie. Click the link in the description box for a full list of ingredients you require to make this recipe. Into your blender, add your spinach, milk, ice cubes, lemon juice, as well as ground flax seeds. Not to forget a pinch of cinnamon. Now blend this first. Once it's smooth, now it's time to add in your fruits. Start off with your berries. Next, add in your banana. Now blend all of it until it's smooth. Make sure everything is well combined before serving. Look at that color, beautiful isn't it? Once it's done, pour your mixed berry smoothie into your serving glass. Garnish with some mixed berries, as well as some chia seeds. Serve immediately with a straw. So that was the mixed berry banana and spinach smoothie. I hope you like it. Now let's move on to the dragon fruit and pineapple smoothie. Into your blender, add in your spinach, water, ice cubes, chia seeds, ginger, and a pinch of cinnamon. Now blend all of this first. Once it's all blended together, now add in your fruits. Add in your pineapple, as well as dragon fruit. Now blend it all together until smooth. Make sure everything is well combined together before you serve it. Look at that beautiful color. Now pour your smoothie into your serving glass. Garnish with a slice of lime if you want, followed by some desiccated coconut, chia seeds, and serve with a straw. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I shall see you again with another exciting recipe next week. Bye!